Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to cancel your Volt Plus subscription. First, open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. Tap your profile icon at the top right. Make sure you're signed in to the same Google account that has your Volt Plus subscription. Next, go to Payments and Subscriptions. Tap on Subscriptions and you'll see a list of your active subscriptions. Look for Volt Plus in the list, select it and then tap on Cancel Subscription. Confirm your choice and your subscription will be canceled right away. And that's it. That's how to cancel your Volt Plus subscription. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.